I'm John Hood in Virginia Beach, where the city's police department has hired a new police wellness coordinator. Their position is aimed at giving officers a clinical professional to talk to about mental health. According to the CDC, law enforcement officers are more likely to die by suicide than in the line of duty. Data gathered by the FBI shows between 2022 and July of this year, there were 52 deaths by suicide among law enforcement officials nationwide. That number is likely underreported, being that it came from a small amount of agencies and is a part of a new program that started in 2020. The report highlights potential contributing factors in some cases like burnout, depression, and PTSD.
I hope having this support here, immediately accessible, does address that, because that is, the ultimate concern.
Jessica Huffman, who has been on the job as the new wellness coordinator for the last few weeks, says she'll be able to provide resources to officers outside of work and at the same time offer her office as a safe space to talk about what may be bothering them.
I know the big stigma is, well, if I start mentioning these words, are my gun and badge going to be taken away? And that's, synonymous with identity and purpose for a lot of people, and we don't want to take that away. We don't want it to seem like it's a punishment to start having these conversations.
Huffman will also oversee the department's peer support teams. She tells me she's hoping to take what she knows to help make sure officers do not have to keep relying on each other when it comes to mental health.
Nobody really knows what they're going through but them, right? But at the same time, they're already the ones that everybody calls on for the worst days, the worst of the worst. So I want to take what I can to help so they don't have to keep being their own resources.
The police department also tells me they expect this position to help with retention and hiring of new police officers. In Virginia Beach, I'm John Hood, News 3.